Looking to elevate your home's style and comfort? Welcome to Fixit Dubai, your premier destination for luxurious window treatments. From classic elegance to modern chic, our wide range of curtains has something to suit every taste and decor. At Fixit Dubai, we pride ourselves on offering high-quality fabrics, a diverse selection of styles, and bespoke customization options to fit your exact needs. Whether you need blackout curtains for a cozy bedroom, sheer curtains for a stylish living room, or motorized curtains for convenience, we've got you covered. Visit our showroom to explore our extensive collection and get expert advice from our friendly staff. Join the countless satisfied customers who've transformed their homes with our beautiful curtains. Ready to elevate your windows? Contact us or visit our website to book a consultation. Discover the perfect curtains for your home at Fixit Dubai, because every window deserves to look its best.